This meeting is being recorded.
Hello, welcome to Workforce Wednesday. My name is Emily Petnato. I am the Workforce Development Specialist at the Greater Scranton Chamber of Commerce and your host of Workforce Wednesday. Joining me today is member business Mtf Biologics, and I have quite a few representatives today. So let's start by introducing ourselves and titles.
I'm first on the screen here, so I'll go. My name is Christy Spinello. I am the HR business partner in our Jessup and Oliphant locations.
Chris?
Hi, my name is Chris Hoffman. I am the manager of Central Services at the Jessup location.
Hi, my name is Taina Bodine, and I'm the processing manager at the Jessup facility.
Thank you all for joining me today. I think this is the biggest crowd I've had. If we could start by telling our viewers a little bit about what Mtf Biologics is. I know you just mentioned you are located in Jessup and Oliphant. If anyone wants to take that question.
So Mtf Biologics is a nonprofit organization. We've been processing for a little bit over 30 years, bone and soft tissue aseptically in Jessup, New Jersey. As of right now, as of 2005, we've been processing dermal tissue, and our main focus is honoring the gift and serving patients and advancing science.
What do you mean by dermal tissue, for those that might not know?
It's skin. It's human skin tissue that we use for transplant, normally received from deceased donors or living patients who have gone surgeries to reduce weight.
And what are some of the positions you are hiring for?
In my department, we're currently hiring for processing technicians. And some of the requirements for that is basically high school. But what we look for from our future technicians is their fit for the role, their willingness to learn, and flexibility in learning different aspects of the role.
What are the tasks a process technician would have?
There can be many different tasks they can work in. Predominantly, it is whole donor processing, where we process bone for transplant, either for spinal surgeries, soft tissue that can be used for sports surgeries. So there would be usage of a bandsaw, scalpel. They may be larger machinery for milling tissue. And then there's also the packaging portion where they're confirming measurements that are met to specifications so that it can be used for a patient.
Do you provide training?
We do provide training. We have trainers that train outside of the core to prep for the environment and for their aseptic technique requirements. And then we pair them up with someone who's been in the role and understands the process to sort of do an apprenticeship where they learn as they go along. It's a lot easier to learn as you do it.
And how long is that process?
The training to reach competency can take anywhere between 6 months to a year for the role they were hired for. There are 3 different aspects of the role. So depending on what role, they would learn that one aspect to competency.
And Chris, how about the roles you're hiring for?
I am hiring for sterilization technicians on 2nd and 3rd shift.
And what does a sterilization technician do?
We are responsible for the decontamination and sterilization of all the equipment used in the core production, as long as the aseptic transfer of all the donor tissue and supplies into the clean room.
What are the requirements of this position?
Some of the requirements: high school education, medical background, surgical techniques, stuff like that.
Christy, anything you'd like to add about the positions?
I think outside of the technical skills, just want to make sure that, we're always looking for those soft skills too. People that are team players, resilient, adaptable, kind of being able to think critically, Sometimes if they're leadership roles, having someone that can lead a team effectively as well. So, we always talk technical, but at the same time, from what I've seen in the company since I've been here in the past month, is that there's a lot of really great soft skills that people have here that really help them do their jobs well. So that's all I have to add.
Is there anything else you'd like to mention about the positions? No. Okay. How about the pay? Do you have the same pay wage between those positions? Are they different? Do you offer competitive rates?
So as far as our wage and benefits packages go, obviously we pay competitive wages. There are shift differentials depending on if you work second shift, third shift, weekends. There's also a potential for a 10% bonus opportunity. We have other benefits as well, which is medical, dental, vision, tuition reimbursement. The PTO is very generous here as well, sick pay, holiday closures, adoption assistance. We have a really nice 401k match, some financial plannings, and we also have some things with credit unions and things like that. So that's just to name a few of some of the things that come within our benefits and wages, but it is a pretty comprehensive competitive package.
Why should an interested job seeker choose Mtf Biologics?
I'll let Chris or Ty take that one because they've been here quite a long time. So
I think that, I've been here 22 years. MTF is a great place to work for. It's very orientated around the employees, very family orientated. Everybody's very friendly and happy to work with one another. I work closely with everybody cross-functionally between both facilities in the Pennsylvania and New Jersey location, and it is a good team to work for.
I agree with what Chris often said. I've been with the company 15 years, started entry level, and have grown with the company. The people pray in the company also values us as individuals contributing to their goal.
Nice. Is there anything else you would like to add that I may not have mentioned or asked about the positions or just working at your organization?
I'm not sure if you were going to cover where they could find the positions, but I'll just plug that in here. So you can visit our website, www.mtfbiologics.org/careers. All the positions are posted there. Also, what has helped me a lot since I joined to learn more about some of the things we have going on is our LinkedIn page. If you follow MTF Biologics, they post some really great stories, things about that our employees are doing, places they're going, and has helped me learn a lot about the company. So definitely encourage anybody that might be looking for potential opportunities to do that as well, to kind of get more of a snapshot what a day kind of looks like here. While every day is certainly not the same, it does kind of give you more of an idea of what we do here and what our mission is and the lives that we impact.
That's great. And you have a very nice website. I was just looking at it. And there's nothing else you would like to add about the positions, either of you? Just want to make sure. So thank you everyone for joining me today. I appreciate you taking the time. If you are a member of business interested in registering for an upcoming Workforce Wednesday session, you could contact me at epetnato@scrantonchamber.com. If you are a job seeker watching today, Chamber has a job board on our website at scrantonchamber.com. You could visit and find more opportunities from our member businesses. And thank you all for joining me today. I appreciate it and have a good rest of your Wednesday.
Thank you.